Hi everyone, I'm teacher Benny. Welcome to this channel where I learn English and Luganda easily. And if you find this channel of great benefit to you, please feel free to send your support and love on the account numbers displayed on screen and mobile numbers, both Airtel and MTN. The numbers are displayed on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please do share my videos such that many people can benefit. Many people have benefited and they've sent their regards on my numbers, as you see in the comments. So, like, share the videos. Wosanganga video eno ya makulu era ngekugasa, please likinga oba osobola okuweereza obuyambi bwo ne support on the account numbers eziragibwa ku screen. Okay, bye-bye. Enjoy the video. Hello everyone. Today we are going to have a look at conversation at the fuel station. Conversation at the fuel station. Remember, at Benny we learn English and Luganda with ease. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe, like, and share. So leo tugenda kulaba engeri je emboozi ku ssundiro lya mafuta. Emboozi ku ssundiro lya mafuta. Here what you should note, fuel station in Luganda is called ssundiro lya mafuta. Ssundiro lya mafuta. Ssundiro lya mafuta. Can you repeat that? Ssundiro lya mafuta. Ssundiro lya mafuta. So let's dive into it. So today we are going to see and have a look at conversation at the fuel station. Conversation in Luganda chiringa emboozi. So conversation at the fuel station is emboozi ku ssundiro lya mafuta. Are we together? Okay, let's start. So assuming we have a customer, client, and a pump attendant. Tulina customer ne pump attendant ku ssundiro lya mafuta. So tugenda kuba tulaba emboozi wakati wa customer ne pump attendant, as we're going to see here. Okay, let's start. Hello sir. Hello sir. And if it is a lady, you say, and if she is a lady, you say, hello madam. Repeat that. Hello sir. If a lady, you say, hello madam. Hello sir. If a lady, you say, hello madam. Hello madam. Okay, so in Luganda, this is going to be jebaleko sebo. Sebo for man. And if a lady, you say inyabo. So jebaleko sebo. Jebaleko sebo. If a man. And if a lady, you say jebaleko inyabo. Jebaleko inyabo. Okay, let's proceed. The customer says, I want diesel fuel. I want diesel fuel. So it depends on the kind of fuel you take. If petrol, you say, I want petrol fuel. Inze injagala. So want is injagala. And if you want to know more about society, common society names and common society words used, you refer to the video above in the description box. Okay, let's proceed. I want diesel fuel is going to say inze injagala amafuta ga diesel. If petrol, you say inze injagala amafuta ga petrol, but you have to specify. Okay, inze injagala amafuta ga diesel. Okay, let's proceed. And the pump attendant says, for how much are you paying for, sir? If your lady, she will say, for how much are you paying for, madam? For how much are you paying for, sir? If a lady will say, for how much are you paying for, sir? And if you want to know more about pronouns like you, I, refer to the video above about pronouns. And in Luganda, this is going to be ga sente meka gogenda okusasulira ssebo? Ga ssente mmeka g'ogenda okusasulira ssebo? Are we together? For how much is ga ssente? Remember, money is sente in Luganda. So, ga ssente mmeka g'ogenda okusasulira ssebo? Okay, let's proceed. And the customer will say, I want for 20,000 or some other cash. I want for 20,000 Ugandan shillings. And if you want to know more about money, you refer to the video about money. Okay. I want for 20,000 shillings. In Uganda, this is going to be inze, because I, inze, injagala, ga, mitwalo, ebiri. Inze, injagala, ga, mitwalo, ebiri. It depends on the cash he or she is paying. Okay, and the pump attendant will say, or will ask, even a customer can ask, do you use Visa cards? Do you use Visa cards? Do you use Visa cards? So, in Luganda, this is going to be, mwe mukozesa Visa cards. Mwe mukozesa Visa cards, because using can be mukozesa Visa cards. Mwe mukozesa Visa cards. And the pump attendant will say, yes, please, here is the Visa machine if they use it. Yes, please, here is the Visa machine. Yes, please, here is the Visa machine if they use the machines. Yes, please, here is the Visa machine. Yes, please, here is the Visa machine. And in Luganda, this is going to be iye, because of yes. Iye bambi. Yino Visa machine. Iye bambi. Yino Visa machine. Iye bambi. Yino Visa machine. And it will give you the Visa machine. Okay. And the client can say, okay, you can fuel now. Okay, you can fuel now, because they've given him the Visa machine. Okay, you can fuel now. And this in Uganda is going to be kale gwe tekamu amafuta. Fuel is tekamu amafuta, because amafuta is the fuel, because amafuta is fuel. So, okay, you can fuel now. Kale gwe tekamu amafuta. Okay, hope you've learned something. This is a slight conversation at the fuel station. Emboozi ku ssundiro ly'amafuta. Okay, stick around for more videos coming through. Bye bye. Welaba.